our reports.
As Kenyans in Nairobi got the opportunity to view and pay their last respect to the body of Kenya's third president, Mwai Kibaki, burial preparations back in Kanyange village in Othaya constituency are in top gear. Government officers from various departments were already here on Monday morning to continue with the preparations and cleaning of the compound. But even as those in charge with the preparations carried on with their duties, the residents of Othaya are still mourning their longest-serving member of parliament. They described Kibaki as a selfless leader who was always willing to help them out.
Hatuna la kusema kwa sababu fanyiwa mengi na rais wetu. Kwa miaka ile alikuwa MP, na wakati alikuwa vice president, na wakati alikuwa president.
Tuweza kushukuru Mungu kwa miaka aliyompa, na ametutendea mambo mengi, ametujengea mabarabara, masomo ya bure, walimu ameajiri. Tunashukuru kwa kila kitu alichotufanyia.
They are asking the National Government Funeral Preparations Committee to consider them and allow them to view Kibaki's body before his burial.
Nilikuwa mkubwa wa youth hapa Othaya division, tulikuwa najuana sana, alikuwa ananitumia na niko na huzuni.
Azuguke hapa Othaya na watu wake, kama bila kusikwa aje tumsuguche area yake.
The late President Mwai Kibaki will be buried on Saturday, April 30th in his Kanyange village in Othaya constituency in Nyeri County. The burial ceremony will be conducted at Othaya Approved School grounds in Othaya town before his interment at his home in Kanyange. Clement Masombo, KTN News.
Now, the late President Mwai Kibaki's quest to transform the country's economy began while